We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Dell S2825 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace the waste toner. So if you've been getting a replace waste toner or waste toner full message, then we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a very simple process. So the first thing we're going to do is on the right side of the printer, we're going to go ahead and there's a little handle right in the middle, and we're going to lower this side cover here. And now we need to, this is actually right here is your waste toner. We need to remove that from the printer. To do that, there's a little blue tab here. So we're going to put our fingers in this little finger hole underneath it, the blue tab, and there's another little handle that you can grab with the other hand. Push down on the blue tab and just gently remove the waste toner. So again, very simple. Once you have your new waste toner unpacked and ready to go, what you're going to do is you're going to set the bottom in, get it all lined up with everything, slowly rotate the whole thing up until it clicks up into place, and then go ahead and close this right cover and give the printer a second to initialize and come back to ready state, and once it does, then you're good to go and you're back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'll be glad to help you out with those. Also, if there's any way we can help provide any supplies for your printer, any toner, imaging drums, anything like that, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help provide this for you as well. Other than that, we hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.